Hi, this is Puzzle Course. In this, there is a section in which a few lines are written. Uh, First is x is a variable and its value is 90, and y is also variable, its value is 60. So in first line, add is a variable and both x and y are after addition stored into the add variable. Similar with the subtract, multiply, and divide, and these are all variables. And after doing the uh, subtraction, multiplication, and division, their values are stored in these variables. And there is a function in Python print function which outputs the value on the screen. So add is a variable and we pass add to the print function and it prints output on the screen. 90 plus 60 is 150, so 150 is the answer. If we subtract 90 from 60 from 90, then the value is 30, so output is 30. Let's change the value of x from 90 to 100. The result will be changed and we have to press the run button. Here is the value changed. Values are changed. So this is how you can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in Python.